justification with the site synthesis. Let's say you have this axis, okay? You have this view. Maybe this is from the entrance for this main circulation. Maybe you can start with a very basic shape, okay? Because of that axis and so on. And then the progress start maybe because of the wind direction, and then you open up a bit your building. And then you want to maximize your view, your good view. Maybe you can break this shape, and then maybe you want to highlight your contacts here, and then you open this one and this one. This is your final mockup, and then you play a bit on the detailing after that. But this progressive model include with the site synthesis with the site on context.
Can I add to that?
Yes, you can.
If you want to, like, you have good view, 180 degrees good view, and you want to emphasize on that, you want to break up the view, right? So that also pre-exists because view suggests visual continuity, and it has exists from one point to another. So, or you can say it's a vista. You know, there's a difference between view and vista. View, you have unobstructed limitation of view, but human view is actually how many degrees? 60, 30? 60. Huh?
You turn it become 180.
Yeah, but here our vision is limited. So view, when we frame the view, it becomes a vista. So you can we call it directed view or vista or visual continuity from one space to another, and from the interior to exterior. So we can call it as an axis as well, distorted axis. For example, yeah, you can do that in your conceptual model. If you want to break into different view, like 180, but you have specific view that you want your user to focus on. That's why it's important in your site synthesis to also add some of your personal take, like emotion, or because when you are higher, your view is different than when you are lower, right? Then, so if you want to get, for example, you want to give more excitement to your user, right? So you might want to juxtapose your space, for example, right? And overhang and cantilever, whatnot, right? So something in a higher position, you can get a better view, for example. So things like that. So that will change accordingly, progressively.
Okay, this is the last thing I want to share with you. How to justify? Okay. Let's say we take this furniture. How many of you intend to do flexible furniture? You have foldable, you have movable, you have adaptable, transformable. Okay. For those yang buat flexible furniture, what are your reason?
Save space.
Save space. Who said flexible furniture will save space? Huh? Sister? Who said that? Why do you need that? Why do you need to save space? The capsule is small. It's not the answer from the synthesis or programs. What are the right answer if you want to do the flexible furniture for save space? What?
Make the space multifunctional.
To maximize the space.
But why? But how? Why do you want to make? How can you relate back this to the site synthesis? Okay, let's say like this. Gimana, Man? Tak ada apa kan? Tak nak kan? Okay, let's say you want to make a flexible furniture. The most common one is from bed to sofa to a wardrobe. Okay, dia lipat jadi ataupun jadi sofa, bila dia buka jadi katil, di bed. Okay, actually this is the solution for space. But why? Macam mana nak bagi susul dekat you punya justification ni? Cakap save space sama tu. Itu masih kosong ni. But why? Because you have to know what is the function of these two. Sofa. What is the function? What is the activity of sofa and bed? Bed is for sleeping. Sofa is for reading. You know, you have these two different bubble at one space. Why? You go to another level.
Okay, the answer is you read not the same time as you sleep, right?
Yes.
Different timing.
You utilize that in a different time so that you can combine both space. But how can this being justified related to such synthesis?
I think by now you should know that your site synthesis is you put everything in one plan. You know that, right? Every solution
They have same
you have to overlap all
Same
the
good view.
information that we get.
Okay, that is good. Because maybe during your site synthesis, this reading, you want to give them good view. Still the same with this sleeping. So because good view is here, your bubble is like this, then you find the bubble to maximize the good view. When you have these two different space, you put separately, then you can combine them. One of the way of combining the bubble is by combining the furniture. This is how you justify your design by such synthesis. Balik kat view balik. Faham? Dah faham?
Yeah, because as you know, your capsule is actually one space, kan? It's one space. It's open plan concept, right? That is why you have that flexibility to use different function at the same space. That relates to, that actually answers the reason or justify the reason for the flexible furniture. Because it's open plan, open plan concept design, right? Because it's just a tiny house, right? Kind of a tiny house. Open plan.
You understand this?
No.
Faham? Okay? Dah tak lagu dah. Dah boleh semua dah.